Hi, in this video, I will show you how to create Telegram channel. So first, you have to simply open your Telegram application, and then you have to look for the pencil icon here. Tap on the pencil icon. Now you will see the options, and all you have to do is to tap the third option, which is a new channel. Tap on this one. Now you can now add a channel name here. Let's just say Circle of Friends. And then you can also add a description below, but description is optional. You could also add an image or photo here. And once you're done, you just have to click this check in order for you to save changes here. Now you can set if this one is public or private. Everything is up to you. And you can also create a Telegram link so that you have your unique Telegram link and it would be easier for you to share your channel to everyone. Telegram will show you if this link or Telegram link is available or not. So once you see the check or the green check mark, then that means this Telegram link is available. Once done, then all you have to do is tap on the check icon above to save changes. And that's it. Now you can add the member. You can just simply select them here or you can add them through searching their name. And that's how to create Telegram channel. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.